Hi there, students. Pinpoint. To pinpoint as a verb. A pinpoint as a noun. Pinpoint as an adjective. And I think this is one word. Okay, so the basic meaning of to pinpoint is to locate or to find or to say the exact position of something in space. Yeah? So this tracking app can pinpoint exactly where your telephone is if you lose it. Yeah? It's going to be very difficult to pinpoint the exact time when the fire started. Okay, so to locate accurately, to define accurately, to identify with precision, yeah, then you could use this as an adjective. He shot with pinpoint accuracy. Yeah, he got it exactly right. And then we can use pinpoint more metaphorically with things. It's going to be very difficult to pinpoint the source of this problem. Yeah, the mechanic managed to pinpoint the reason why the car was making this noise. Yeah, he did a diagnosis and pinpointed the cause of the problem. A pinpoint, I guess a pinpoint, a very small sharp point of light. There was just a pinpoint of light shining through a tiny hole in the wall. I guess to me this has the idea, if you've got a map and you take a pin and you put the pin in the map, and that's a very, very, very precise location. Yeah, so to pinpoint something. I guess also you might use pinpoint to mean a very small amount of something. We have only the tiniest pinpoint of hope. Okay, and I think that's probably it. So pinpoint accuracy, meticulous and exact precision. We need to carry this out with pinpoint accuracy. We need to make sure it's absolutely perfect. Yeah, you pinpoint the cause of something. You discover or explain exactly why it happens. So to pinpoint a location, pinpoint a moment in time, to pinpoint a problem, to pinpoint a weakness, to pinpoint something exactly, to throw a pinpoint pass, to pass perfectly. I guess pinpoint bombing, to drop your bomb in exactly the right place. Okay, so pinpoint, yeah, effectively the point of a pin is a pinpoint, yeah, or something very, very small, yeah. If you look at the stars, they are pinpoints in the sky. As an adjective, pinpoint detail, extremely precise, extremely specific. To pinpoint, to locate something with great accuracy. Yeah, as the 21st century has gone on, my God, I live in the 21st century. Our ability to pinpoint things, to pinpoint locations, has increased slowly but surely. Okay, as to origin of this, well, yeah, it's the point of a pin. Formality. I'm going to give to pinpoint a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. And then it comes from pinpoint. Pin coming from Proto-Germanic pinaz or pint, meaning the point or the peak of something. Yeah, a cognate with pin in Dutch, which is a word for a peg or a pin, and then the point, the edge of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pinpoint.